So Darkpulse Inc. stock DPLS will resume the trading week at $0.1145, and so far we have seen that the stock has continued to retrace. It is now trading below all of its short-term moving averages, that is the 10-day and the 20-day moving averages. So the stock has been pulling back and correcting, and it's deemed to have set up a reset for market participants to get involved. And we can see it has a market cap of $537.9 million, 4.698 billion shares outstanding. And of late, yes, we have seen graphically what's going on here since early April, and since early June, the stock has continued to extend. It reached this all-time high of I would say all-time high, probably maybe may or may not be, of $0.17 on the 9th of July. But since that time, it has continued to pull back. Yes, and it is definitely correcting within a longer term bullish trend. Yes, it's correcting within a longer term bullish trend, evidently. Yes, and its MACD is presently below the signal. This is the MACD. It's presently below the signal line, and this is just simply because the stock itself is trading is cheaper than the 10-day moving average, or 10-day, or probably 5-day, anything in that sort of range. It has pulled below that, so this MACD is also reflecting that as well. And then the RSI is also waning as well, currently at 52.1. All of these are just a validation of the bearish nature of the stock at the moment. So, but the shares remain 368.0% above the 200-day moving average, which is still sloping bullishly upwards. With the 50-day moving average, it is easily outperforming the S&P 500. Momentum is also strongly bearish. The 14-period slow escalator is waning as investors sell prices and drive the price lower. The unbalanced volume indicator is bearish. The slope of that indicator is negative, and suggesting that longer-term accumulation has given way to near-term selling pressure by traders. So they are both those three indicators. All the indicators we pointed out there are just validating what we're looking at right now. So bearish, very short-term bearishness for the concerning the stock, and we've seen that volume has increased over the last 2 months. You can see average volume currently now is 461.772 million, which is about 10% of the entire float. Yes, slightly, somewhat close to that 10% of the entire float. But the 10-day average is about 144 million. See that? So that's just also an indication that interest has also been taken off from the stock. The interest is no longer as much as it was before. So, well, yes, for sure, it has become an interesting stock, but it's pulling back now. In the short term, it looks like a buy. For some market participants, it's a good buying opportunity. Yes, I can't even. It's hard to actually say that it's not a buy as such. For us, it's not a strong buy. We would actually see it pull back any further, but it's correcting easily. Yes, if you want to buy, by all means buy. We wouldn't even mind buying more as it is now. So yes, pulling back, correcting. It's a delight to some market participants, but also not a delight to others. The people who are taking their money out may have been doing so because of what's going on in the broader market, taking the money out and putting it elsewhere at the moment to take advantage of other opportunities have ensued, because of the retracements we saw in the broader market. So for sure, I think Darkpulse will continue to pull up again and extend further, and probably exceed the $0.17 yet it reached in sometime early this month, July 9th, 2021. Okay, let's see how things go. Fingers crossed. If you want to buy, by all means do so. We would even also buy, even though we don't think it is a very strong buy, but currently trading at a discount to all of its short-term moving averages. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.